Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can tie this beautiful woven macrame pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I've gone ahead and attached 3 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, we're going to take the 2 cords in the middle and tie a half hitch knot around the left side by taking it over to form a loop, then twisting them around and pulling them through the loop. Then pull that nice and tight. Then taking those same middle cords, this time we're going to tie a reverse half hitch knot. So we're going to send it behind to form the loop, twist them around and pull it through that loop, and then pull it tight. Just like that. And all we do is repeat. So on the left side, we go over, and on the right side, we go behind. This is how you can tie this beautiful little woven macrame pattern. You guys can use this on all kinds of projects like wall hangings, plant hangers, keychains, bracelets, headbands, belts, you name it, you can use this in that project. To end your project, you can either just leave the cords as is, you can tie a gathering knot at the end, a square knot, you can tuck the ends back through the back side of your project to keep them hidden. It depends on what project you're using this for. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.